Good afternoon, dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine over there, right? So, great students, grade 2 especially, today we are going to learn additions. Do you know how to do additions? Okay, I have different methods for you to do the additions. Sometime we will do one and I have brought here 3 ways of doing additions. Are you ready there for doing your additions? Okay, students, see here. Have a look at the board. The first, have you seen in round in shape? This we call it as a additional wheel. Okay, so here at top we call it as a Bloch-Stain addition method. What we call for it? Bloch-Stain addition method. You can prepare at your home also, just like an abacus. Same like that. I have third method is there, number line. Which one you want to follow? Which you feel easy that you can follow it at your home. Okay, it's not so expensive also. You can prepare with some colorful papers. And you can paste at your wall at your home also, and you can do the additions on it. You can take help of your parents for doing this type of additions if you are getting lots of confusion on it. Okay, students, so shall I give you some questions? According to that questions, we are going to solve these things and we use this method, okay? Okay, before starting the class, before giving you the assignment of the questions, I will give you some hints how to use that methods. So, are you ready to listen that hints? Okay, first, okay students, first one is how to use the wheel. Okay, do you know students, if I add 2 plus 3, then what will be the answer? From 3 methods I will show to you, okay? Okay, first one, wheel method. Have a look. I want to show you something in the wheel. There are 2 colorful papers, right? And here one arrow. Have you seen this? Have you noticed this arrow? This arrow will indicate the number, upper part number, and this is the addition sign, this angle. With the help of this number and this number, we can find out the sum of that given number. Okay. So, now I am going to show you from wheel, additional wheel method, and then number line, and then from base Bloch-Stain method. Okay. First one is this one. Let's have a look. 2 plus 3. What will be the answer? Now, first one is 2 plus, see here, please have a look, okay, properly. 2 plus 3. 3 is here. Which number is at top? 5. So, 2 plus 3, what will be the answer? It's 5. So, write down 5. Let's check out from the number line. Okay, whether your answer is correct or not. So, first one is 2. Let's have a look. Write down 1, 2. Then after 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. 2 plus 3. What will be the answer? Which number is at down? 5. Really, this answer is correct. Now another Bloch-Stain method. Okay, here is yellow color is here, red color is here, and blue color is here, right? Okay, yellow denotes for, these red pencils denote for ones, and this yellow pencil denotes for tens. Okay, and this blue pencil denotes for 100. So, I have a one block, 1 point at my hand. So, I am going to put over here. Now, I need 2 plus 3. There is single digit, right? So, 1. Count it, okay? Please count it fast. I need to add the numbers. 1, 2, count it, dear students. 3, 2 already completed, 3 another 1, 2, 3. Now count the numbers. How many numbers of blocks I have kept over here? Okay, now see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5. Right? Good. If, listen me. If I want to add 10 plus 3, what will be the answer and how to show over here? Do you have any idea? If your question 2 digit and single digit, if you want to add, then how to do? 1 is in place of tens and 0 is in place of ones. 0 means there is no any number. So, you are going to put 1 and we call it 1, 0, 10. Do you understand? It became 1, 0, 10. Now 3 unit is there at back side. So I am going to put 3 unit. 1, 2, 3. Now can you say me what is the answer? It's 10 plus 3. It will be 13. Do you understand how to write? Yes. How to use these ways, methods? I hope you understand better. So you can prepare at your home also, right? Okay, now students, I have some questions for you. See here. No, now see here. Okay, can you add 3 plus 4? This question number 1 we will solve from this addition wheel method. Okay, ready? Okay, first question is 3 plus 4. Let's rotate the wheel. Now where is 3? Okay, I have indicated through an arrow, right? 3 plus, what is the number? 4. What will be the answer? What is the number at top? Can you say me? Yes. What is that number? It's 7. Right. So, all of you go on writing. 3 plus 4 goes to 7. Yes. Okay. Again, I need to add 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2. What will be the answer if again I add 7 plus 2 then? Now see, this 7 I am going to write over here, okay? 7 plus 2. Now what will be the answer? 7 plus 2? Can you say me? Once again let's do. 7, where are you? 7, I am here. See, 7 says I am here. 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2. What is the answer? It says 9. Yes, it's 9. 9. Again, this 9 we have to write here. This 9. Okay. Now again, 9 plus 3. What will be the answer of 9 plus 3? 9 plus 3. Now, can you say me? What is the answer of 9 plus 3? Once again, let's rotate it. Where are you, 9? I am here. See? 9 plus 3. What is the answer? Up. It's 12. Right? Good. So, it's 12. So, write down here 12. 12 plus 4. Now, let's use this one. Or you want to use the same? Okay, once again, 12 plus 4. What will be the answer of 12 plus 4? 12 plus 4. It's 16. So, we can write 12 plus 4 as a 16. So, 16 I can write here. 16 plus 3. Because I have prepared up to 16, so there are no so much more number. So, we are going to use number line. So, are you ready to do the number line in number line? So, 16 plus 3. Where is the 16? 1 plus 6, 16. Let's go here. I am going here. Okay, 16. 16 plus 3. So, 16, 1, 2, 3. 16 plus 3 is 19. Right? So, lastly, I have to write here 19. So, 16 plus 3 is, it's 19. Done? Do you understand? Okay. So we can use this additional wheel method, right? And number line as well. So which you feel easy, you can use that one. Now next number, single digit additions. So single digit additions is over. Now we are reaching to the double digit, 2-digit additions. Okay, ready? Now let's add 2-digit additions. So in 2-digit additions, this is your question. See, have a look on the questions. 62 plus 21. So how to add this number? 62 plus 21. Okay. Now for this, I will show you from the blocks. Okay. 62. 60. Let's put the 6. 62 plus, okay, 1, 2, let's go on doing this one. 2, 3, 4, right, 5, 6, 1, 60 done. Now 1, 2, it's 62. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 60, 1, 2, 2, 62. Now 21. Let's put 2. It's 1, 2, 20. Now I need to add one more, right? So 1. Now can you count the numbers of here? Okay. Now how many yellow colors are here? 1, 2, 3, right? So please go on writing here. 2 plus 1, it's obviously 3. Now same here. Count the number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh my God. 6 plus 2 is 8. So 83. Do you understand how to write the numbers? Yes. Like this way also we can add the numbers. Okay students. This is the one way. Another method from the number line I am going to do. Okay dear. So here. Now next question is 23. 23 plus 24. Once again, let's do it. 23 plus 24. How to do? 3 plus 4, 2, 2. Let's put the 20 over here, okay? 23. Okay, students. Now, 23. First, write down 10. It's 23. 1, 2, 3. 23. Now 24. 10, 20. Now again 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Altogether how much? Let's count the number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4 plus 3, it is 7. Done. Okay, now 2 plus 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. It's 47. Do you understand? So, one question is left for you. Can you solve the question by yourself? Please keep on practicing the same way over there at your home. Okay, go on practicing same thing. Okay, I will show you 46 and 52 from here. Okay, 46. Now from the number line, I will keep it as it is for your review. Okay, so this here in 46 and 52, let's do from the number line. 6 plus 2. What will be the answer? Here is 6, 1, 2. What is the answer? It's 8. Please write down here 8. 4 plus 5. What will be the answer? So, go on writing. Erase it. So, 4. From here to here, it's 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 9. So, write down here 9. When we add 46 and 52, then we will get 98, right? Good job. So, student, now if you want to solve the same type of number digit with additions carryover form, then how to do that problems? Let's have a look. 38 and 24 is there. Now you have to add and carry over also. Let's do over here, okay? So let's do 8 plus 4. Where is 8? 8 is here. I need to jump 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. I am jumping 4 times. So altogether what? 8 plus 4, what is the answer? 1, 2, 12. So here are 2 digits. So back 1, 2 should be right here and front 1, 1 should be right here. 1, 2, 12. Okay. Now 3 plus 2 plus 1. Once again we need to do. I need to jump 1 time. Then after 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Then after again 2. Altogether how many times I have jumped over here? Oh, it's 6 times. So write down here 6. Done? Good. Now, same like this, we have to do next question. So what is the next question? 42, 28. Let's add it. So can we do? Okay. Now do the same way. Okay. Okay. 2 students are jumping. How many times? 2 times. Again they are jumping 8 times. 1 time, 2 times, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Altogether how many times they have jumped? 10 times. So you have to write 0 at here, 1 at here. Are you getting me? Okay. So once again, they need to be back. Again, they have to jump up. From where? From here. See here, 1. Then after 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then after 2 times, 1, 2. Altogether, how many times they have jumped? Altogether, they are jumping for 7 times. So, 7 is the answer. What is the answer now? Altogether, when they jump 42 minutes, when they jump 42 times, 28 times, altogether they jump 70 times. Do you understand? Of course. Now, same like another, okay? Do it fast. 28, 28. We are going to jump again. Ready to jump? Are you ready to jump? Okay. Now first of all, let's jump for 8 times. I am jumping up to 8 times. See here, I am jumping up to 8 times. Again, I need to jump for 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Altogether, how many times I have jumped? 16 times. 1, 6, 16. 6 must be right here. 1 must be written here. It's a 16. Okay. So, 1 plus 2, 2 plus 2. What will be the answer? Let's jump once again. Come and jump. Ready to jump? Let's jump. 1 time jumping, 1, 2 times jumping, again 2 times jumping, altogether 5 times jumping. Let's write the 5. Do you understand? Of course, right? Now, same like this. Do you want to do 3-digit numbers? Okay. let's do 3-digit number. Okay, for 3-digit number, 1 from block. Okay, let's do 1 from block. First, let's take out this. Okay, now here is the question. See here, dear students. 3, 1, 3. This is place of ones, tens, and this is place of 100. 3, 5, 1. 3 plus 1. Let's make it. Okay, 313 is at up. First of all, let's make 313. Okay. This color denotes for 300. So, see here, how many lines I am going to put? 1, 2, 3. Now, again 1. Again 3. Here we are using different colors, okay, so that you should not get confused. 1, 2, 3. Again, I need to make 351, right? So, let's put another 300, 100, 200, 300. Now, again, I need to put 50, right? So, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Now 1. Okay, when I join 313 and 351, when I add them, then it will be altogether 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, it will be altogetherly 664. Do you understand? Okay. Now, one homework is for you. This is your homework. You have to solve it by yourself. Okay? This is your homework. You need to solve it by yourself. This is for you, your assignment. Okay, students, I hope you understand this one, right? This is your new ways of additions. So, like this way, keep on practicing, go on doing, watch new topic and stay at home. Be safe. Have a nice day.